Instagram has introduced a new feature sticker just like iPhone's frame sticker, which can be rolled out in your Instagram as well. But this is on a testing phase. You might haven't got this feature on your Instagram. So in today's video, I'll tell you in just few simple steps, you can easily get this feature in your Instagram account as well. How? Let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store, search Instagram. See if there is any update pending on your application. If not, then the next thing you can do is join the beta version of Instagram to enjoy all your new updates and features at initial level of the testing program. The second method is to clear the cache from your Instagram app. For this, go to Settings, go to Applications, select Instagram, tap on Clear Cache and clear them. Now close the application and restart it. After this, the Create Story feature should appear in your options. So in this way, you can avail the sticker feature on your Instagram and you can enjoy it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.